Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Blanka from Street Fighter and Fortnite. So let's go in there. Let's start with the face. We're going to have Blanka looking this way across the page, sort of leaping into the page to the right hand side. So let's pop a nose in. Just going to do a little V shape about there. Okay. Next up I'm going to put a couple of eyebrows in. So just above the nose area I'm going to do two lines like this. Okay, let's do this first eyebrow on the right. It's quite angry, so it's like arching up. And the other one is very similar as well, arching up like that. Great, now we know where the nose and the eyes are. Let's pop a bit of a forehead area in. So I'm going to do a bit of a diagonal line from just around the eyebrow area out and up there. Then I'm going to bring it in and just come out again there. This is going to be his cheekbone. I'm going to come down out like this. It's got a big old jaw and back up like this. Then I'm just going to do a line there and I'm going to do a semicircle here and another one, and that's his ear area. Okay, now let's do his hair. It's a nice shock of hair, so I'm going to do like quite vibrant sort of fiery hair going up, a bit like a triangular area. Let's start here. I'm going to go up and back and around. Let's do another one. Up, back and around. Another one here. We'll curve it around. So they're sort of flying around to the left hand side. Big one out here. And let's pop another one in as well. Let's do one going almost straight up here. So we'll curve there. Flying around up there. Fill one behind. And let's just pop another one in just here. Cool, nice shock of hair he's got there. Okay, next up, let's do his chest area. So I think his chest is probably going to go from maybe here to here. Okay, so his pec's going to come curve around here. Same on this side, curve around there. Let's do his torso area. So underneath this pec here, let's pop a little line. Maybe we'll go to about here. Just do a line, slight diagonal down there. This side where the pec is here, let's draw another line to about there. Then let's join this up with a curve. Okay, let's get his arms in. So he's got a big old shoulder curve there. And then we can put the top of his arm in. Same here, big old bicep. And then we can draw, his elbow is going to be here, so I'll just put a little bump in there. Then I'm going to go curve like this. This arm, I'm going to do the same. Nice curve and around. Let's pop his hands in, so he's got clawed hands. So I'm going to do a thumb. I'm going to go to a bit of a pincer, like 1. And let's get the fingers. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then let's join that up. Like that. Okay. Let's do one on this side. Let's do a shoulder area. Like that. Okay, next up, let's do the top part of his arm. I'm just going to bring that up there. Go down to his elbow, which will be about here. Straight line there. And let's do his other arm. So I'm going to go down to, say, about here. This part, just a bit of a curve there. His wrist's going to be here. Let's curve that out like that. Now I can put these hands in again. So again, very similar to this side. Thumb to a point and out. And then finger, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, okay. Next up, let's put these, put his legs in. He's got these shorts on. So I'm just going to put a point just here. And then I'm going to draw out to about here. And from this point here, I'm going to draw out to here. Okay, let's do like a bit of a zigzag now, because this is where his shorts are. So just a zigzag. Same on this side, but we're going to go down to about here. And these shorts, I'm going to just go where his hand is there, across and down to about here. Do a zigzag again. Nice, okay. Right, next up, let's do his knees. So just going to put a semicircle in there. Then I'm going to do his leg just to here, just do a line. Same here, from his knee, a line there. And this leg, his knee's about here, so I'm just going to put a little curve in to show that. Then I'm going to put a line to there and a line to there. Okay, he's got some shackles around him, so I'm going to draw a curve here, and then it's just going to come out, so like a little mini C and an opposite C on that side. And let's just join these up with another curve. Cool, okay. Next to his feet, so just going to go down to the ball of his foot there, bring it out to the end, and then just do his toes. Again, he's got long nails, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side, foot's going to come out this way. So what I'm going to do is just draw straight down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in and around. And then what we can do now is just put his toenails in, so they're pretty much black. So I'm just going to fill these toenails in here. Same here. Let's do these fingers as well, so get these nails in, get these claws looking good. Alright, okay. Just in the chest area, he's got some kind of like hairy chest going on, like flame style. So I'm going to do this coming out like in a bit of a fan sort of effect, a bit like his hair. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then join that up. And then he's got it coming off of his arms as well. So I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3 there, and on this side here, 1, 2, 3. Cool. It's just got it on his legs as well. So I'm just going to do just a few little bits just in here as well. Okay, let's get his eyes in. Let's go back up to the top. I'm just going to do 2 curves like this, make him look quite angry. Let's get a couple of circles in there, one side here and one side on this side here. Just going to fill around that in black. Nice, all right. Then let's put his angry face in. So I'm going to do an arc there. Then I'm going to do a curve around here, and I'm going to go to maybe here and just curve up and around and join that up. Now I know I can curve around and down to that point there. Let's pop some teeth in. So zigzags. So a big zigzag there, 1, 2, 3, and another. And let's do it on the other side too. So he's got big teeth here, and then 1, 2, 3, and just fill that in. Let's put a bit of detail in with his muscles and his trousers, I think now. So let's just add to his pecs there. So I'm going to put a couple of lines in just to show how muscly he is. Same goes in the arm over here. Maybe just draw a couple of lines in there and around there, and on this side too. Nice. Let's join this belt up just there. Nice bit of detail. And then he's got sort of shredded his shorts a little bit as well. So I'm just going to put a couple of little kind of like oblongs there just to show that. Let's put a couple of lines of where his toes are, where the bones of the feet will be. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Maybe let's just ground him a little bit as well. So I'm just going to put him a bit of terrain, maybe just the ground there. Okay. Right. Okay, that's that part done. Let's get a nice green pen. Let's start filling him in. Just going to colour the main body area in with green. Okay, just make sure we do the bit of the shorts that are ripped, so just pop the green in there. Cool, okay. Let's get a brown pen for his shorts. So let's fill this in. Okay. So next up, let's get the hair in. So what I'm going to do, let's just get a yellow. Let's just put a little pop of colour just on the left hand side where all the sort of hair and fur is on Blanka. So I'm just going to go around the edge, just put a line in just around this area and just around these pronged bits. Just adds a nice little highlight just on the left hand side. Nice, okay. I might just pop the yellow in as well, just to highlight just a bit of his teeth and his eyes as well. Next up, get an orange. What we can do then is just fill in the white bits around the fur. So get that orange, just fill in around here. Finally, let's get grey. What we can do is just fill in the shackled area on the grey there. So just going to leave a little line in the middle just to show the light bouncing off it. Same on this side. Alright, and let's do like a nice grey background like he's on the road or something. And here. Ground area there. Let's just get a darker green. Let's just go around Blanka and just go around the edges of him. Just to make that green skin pop a little bit more. So just go around some of the areas, sort of adding a bit of shadow. Underneath the shackles there, maybe just underneath the short area. Just do just under his chin, some of these muscles as well. Maybe just under there, under the fur. Just going to pop a little bit more here, just to make him look a little bit angrier as well. Alright, that's loads better. Okay, and that is it. That is Blanka. On Art Draw. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.